Hello everyone, I'm truly delighted to see you all here for our new windshield repair course. Today marks our first lesson, where we'll explore 11 crucial topics about glass repair. First, I want to discuss the different types of damage that can occur, and explain which damages are actually repairable and which aren't. Sometimes you might not see a chip, but instead find a crack. For instance, while repairs are technically possible for cracks longer than 20 centimeters, there are important weather-related considerations. In such cases, we can't provide a work guarantee. Window chip repairs present similar challenges to post-rain repairs. Some vehicles simply won't fit in your garage or service bay. While outdoor repairs are possible, they come with specific requirements, which is why our kit includes special equipment for these situations. Finally, we'll conclude this lesson by discussing the profitability aspects of windshield